Hopefully none of these fuckers take me down. Oh shit, look at the fires. That must be that lower sugar loaf. Wow, there's the fires out there. Oh shit, oh shit. Baldy Mountain, 6280. It's coming up. Look at this shit. Oh, there's a lake out there. Is that Lake Chelan? Maybe. Actually, it says there's a little, just another epic viewpoint. Well, leaving camp. Oh yeah, night 3. Tonight will be our last night camping. Hopefully make it home tomorrow, or we'll just have to cut a little short. We'll see what happens. This was a sick zone. Dead end little road. Our own little valley. Alright, leaving camp. Sick zone. It's like a little dead end road. On the old dusty trail again, baby. What a trip waking up to this. It's awesome. Gives me goosebumps. This would have been our other site. It showed on the map. This little tent zone. I'm stoked we kept going. All right, let's kill section, section 4. These roads just carved into the mountainside like this are rad. Gives you a little bit of intimidation factor, that's for sure. Just peek off to the right, you're like, oh yeah, we're only like 6,000 feet up, or word. $6,200 feet here in a minute. What's that peak? Side of the map range. Might be it over there actually. I got the Smoke Valley and the Blue Valley. Baby Baldy Mountain, 6280. It's coming up. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this shit. Gotta test those bags, make sure they're on good. Could hear Dustin right behind me. I hear it's been 60s over there in Portland or so, rainy, fall-ish. Gosh, we're just trailing behind all this summer activity here. What we got right now, 64 in the mountains. south of Chelan. Oh, there's a lake out there. Is that Lake Chelan? Maybe. I know looking at the track previously, we kind of skirt all around the top of looking down at Chelan. Oh, this is it, the top, Baldy. Actually, it says there's a little road. This, another epic viewpoint. Looks like this is our road, skirting. Wild. Gorgeous. Gotta watch those baby head boulders. Epic. All right, coming out of the woods, heading towards Ardenvois. This is where we got to bypass part of section 4 because of some wildlife fires. Kind of see the smoke in the air. Definitely smell it. It smells like some campfire going on. Alright, we're on the section 4 bypass. I think that's the Columbia River right off to our side here. And gosh, for some reason I'm pretty sure we rode that other side on the way up. Almost positive we did. Well, got about 17 miles to connect back to, well gosh, I don't know if it's section 3 at that time or still 4, but we'll find out when we get there. Refuel, get some water, and get back out in the woods. Chip. Here we are, section 3. Knocking down the miles, baby. This trail's busy with pedestrians and people driving down with their trucks and cars. Gotta watch out on these corners. Dustin's right, not too far back. Was right there until I opened her up a little. Okay, sick. Look at this. This is that picture spot. Sick. Look at this shit. Kidding me? A little bit of section 2 right here. It's so wild. It smells like wet dog around. Oh, no, it's gone. I swear it's not me. Been a little washouts in this this road, and a lot of traffic. Jeez, between first several bikes we've seen on the BDR and several Jeeps and off-road vehicles. Yup. Sick zone. Yo. Wild. Fire. Sick. Little viewpoint campsite, not bad. A little sandy. There's mad campsite viewpoints up here. It's sick. Looks like this is where all the snow's at, huh? Or Crispies? What happened here? Oh, just that? Oh, okay. Back to shred. Admire beauty, release clutch, back to shred. It's a method. Ooh, little silt. Some of these rocks are gnarly. Of course, I couldn't get the GoPro on quick enough to show you that other section. Too much hands-on. We got a little hill climb hands-on too. Looks like shitty rocks. Alright, hopefully none of these fuckers take me down. Oof, it looks rough out there, huh? Oh wow. Oh shit, look at the fires. That must be that lower sugar loaf. Wow, there's the fires out there. Oh shit, oh shit. You good? Are you okay? It's all good?
Don't be funny, bro. We all...
1, 2. Want to get that kickstand over there, Dustin?
Yeah.
A little brake lever. You good? Okay.
I got it. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if that's how you mounted it. No. This thing charges out. I gotta get this crap.
Well, let's roll up to the shade right in this little zone. Good. Fuck. It's called something twisties, this road here. As you can see, she's a little concrete switchback. It's epic, actually. Love it. Epic. Ellensburg in front of us. Here we are, section 2. So far it's the longest section. It's 114 miles or something. So we're chipping at it today. We're supposed to all be back tomorrow. So it'll be in the evening, that's for sure. We're gonna push hard. Tomorrow we're gonna probably wake up early and get going. Been waking up around 7:15 or so every morning. It's a nice fast road here. Oh, it's actually like a road. I haven't seen a house for a little while. I've been cruising. Yes, sir. Just jumped in a Venus wildlife area. W-E-N-A-S. Venus. My kids will get a kick out of it. I'm getting a kick out of it. These are all the wild Venuses come and roam. Well, we just made some good timing to Venus, yeah. We were thinking the lake, but we decided to push on a little further, another hour or so. Oh, just made it to camp. Check it. Actually, ran into like a herd of elk, and then we decided to call it camp. Elk was like right over there. Pretty sick. Woo! All right, boys and girls. Just got home from the BDR. Had to cut it a little short. Turn around on section 2, kind of a bummer, but this is why. Check this, my whole rear rack was a little loose. Oh, look at that, fucking wore right through there. Oh, bummer. Cracked the tip I saw earlier today. That rack is useless right now. Look at that thing, dude. It could never get bolted on the bottom. The way it was designed, the dude I bought it from kind of fucked it up. Bent them all out of the way from his high mount exhaust. But dang, son!